Our session 4, that's correct. Number 12, for each of the following questions, only one the proposed answer is correct. Find with justification the correct answers. First, a rotation R is given by its complex form Z prime equal A Z plus B. This is B. Now, first question. A measure of the angle alpha of R is, to find a measure of the angle alpha of R, we write this in exponential form. The exponential form of this is E 2I pi to 3 minus half plus I radical 3 to 2 equal to E 2I pi to 3 here, Z plus B. This is B. Hence alpha equals 2 pi to 3. We look about the answers, 2 pi to 3, 2 pi to 3, but this angle is not 2 pi. So we can subtract here multiples of 2 pi. Let's subtract 2 pi minus 2 pi. We get alpha equals minus 4 pi to 3. So the correct answer is B. 2. The center E of R has an fx. How to find the center E of R? Z of E equal this, Z of E plus this. We do the calculation, Z of E equal this number over this number. We do the calculation to get Z of E equals minus I. So the correct, So the correct answer is C. B, ABCD is a direct square with side 1. ABCD is a direct square. Why it is direct square? Since angle ABAD, ABCD is a direct square if ABAD is positive. We have here ABAD is positive, so this is the figure. ABCD is a direct square of side 1. EDC is a direct equilateral triangle. Similarly, EDEC is positive. Angle EDEC is positive. F is a similitude that transforms C onto A. That is, A is the image of C under F. C is the image of E under, this is given. F is a similitude, transforms C onto A, E onto C. The ratio K of F is equal to find the ratio K of F, we have here AC equals KCE. See the correction? AC equals KCE. K equal AC over CE. What about AC? AC is a diagonal of a square. It's equal to radical to the side. We can write it radical to CE, say. Since this triangle is equilateral given, these three sides are equal. Instead of AC, we can write radical to CE. Over CE, we get the ratio is radical 2. The answer is A. Okay? Now, a measure alpha of F is, to find the measure alpha of F, what about F? Alpha, sorry. It is CEAC. CEAC mod 2 pi. Alpha equals CEAC. To find here the angle between CE and AC, we insert CA to get here two vectors starting from the same origin. So we can insert here any vector. To get here two vectors of same origin C, it's better to insert CA. We get CECA plus CAAC. Now, CECA, CECA here, it is CECD plus CDCA. CECD pi to 3 since this triangle is equilateral. CDCA, it is pi to 4 since here the diagonal in a square is a bisector. And we have this 90. So CDCA is pi to 4. We get pi to 3 plus pi to 4. plus CAAC, this is two opposite vectors. The angle between V and minus V for any V is pi mod 2 pi. Pi mod 2 pi, we can write it pi or we can write it minus pi, the same. The angle between CA and AC, we can replace it by pi or by minus pi, the same, because pi is congruent to minus pi mod 2 pi. It's better here, since we have here a positive number, it's better to replace this angle by minus pi. And we do the calculation to get minus 5 pi to 12. So the answer is A. If G equal f of A, then a measure of AD, AG is, we have G, f of A. The image of A by f is G. Then we need angle ADAG. G equals f of A equal f of C, then angle ACGA is equal to the angle of the similitude, which is in this case minus 5 pi to 12. ACGA minus 5 pi to 12, and we need AD, let's insert here between AC and GA, AD, AG. Yeah, we get here AC, AD plus AD, AG plus AGGA. It's required to insert two vectors here. AC, AD plus AD, AG plus AGGA. Right. This angle, we have it minus 5 pi to 12. Now AC, AD plus AD, AG plus AGGA equals minus 5 pi. And we need this AD, AG. It is this minus this minus this. Don't forget AGGA equals to pi or minus pi. In this case, replace it here. We get the answer B. C, S is a similitude with complex form where P is a complex parameter. Now, first case, or first part from C, we have the complex form of S in this case. If P equals half into 1 minus I, then S is A. When we replace P by half into 1 minus I, we get the complex form Z prime equals IZ plus 3 minus I, which is EI pi to 2Z. Then S is a rotation with angle pi to 2. We look about the answers. The rotation of angle pi to 2, rotation of angle minus pi to 2, rotation with center, rotation with center. So it's required to find the center to get the correct answer. As usual, to find the center, ZW equal IZW plus 3. Find ZW, get it 2 plus I. So in this case, S is a rotation of center, W of fx2 plus I. So the correct answer is C. If P equals minus half into 1 plus I, then S is A. Yeah, also we need, it's required to replace P by its value to get, yeah. In this case, Z prime equals Z plus 3 minus I. Z prime equals Z plus 3 minus I. When we have the coefficient of Z here 1, that is 1 AI0, then it is a translation. Z prime minus Z equal 3 minus I gives the Z of M prime equals the Z of a vector V. So in this case, translation of vector 3 minus I. So the correct answer is B. 3, if P equals minus 1 minus I, then S is A. Also, when we replace, we get Z prime equals 2Z plus 3 minus I. Also, 2 here, we can write it 2EI0. K is 2, alpha is 0, then it is a positive dilation of ratio 2. Positive dilation of ratio 2 here. So the correct answer is A. Correct answer is A. Positive dilation of ratio 2. No. When you find the center, We can find the center here to check if we may get this answer. We have Z E say equals 2ZE plus 3 minus I. Oh, this answer. This is a homotopy or positive dilation of center E. No, the correct answer is C. Here we have a stake. Homotopy ratio 2. Homotopy ratio 2 and center E. This is E. No, the correct answer is C. Now, as a homework, now we have still have a case. If P equals I, then S is a similitude with angle. When we replace P by I, we get the complex form. Change this to its exponential form. Thus, S is a similitude of angle. In this case, we have the angle minus 5 pi to 4. When you subtract from it 2 pi, we get the angle minus 3 pi to 4. So it is a similitude of angle minus 3 pi to 4. The correct answer is A. Now, as a homework, solve exercise 1, page 28. Thank you.